Welcome back to my channel. My name's Adriana, and this is a space where I share recipes with you that I love. And today I'm sharing with you another staple of Mexican cuisine, that of chiles en vinagre, or Mexican-styled pickled jalapenos. For this recipe, we're going to need 1/4 of a white onion in slices, 10 chiles serranos sliced in half, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 5 pieces of allspice, 1 bay leaf, 10 cloves, 1/2 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1/2 cup of a carrot in slices, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 3 garlic cloves. This recipe goes by many different names in Mexico. Depending on the region or the family that might be making it, you might hear it be called chiles en vinagre, chiles en escabeche, chiles en curtido, and many other names. The basis of the ingredients are sort of the same. The only thing that might change from recipe to recipe is the aromatics being used. The recipe I'm sharing with you today is my favorite way to enjoy these chiles en vinagre. Adding all of the spices with the oil really helps them bloom. Everything smells so delicious. When you see the color of the chiles start changing a little bit to a more dull color, you can add the vinegar and water. Bring everything back to a boil and cook for about 2 minutes until your chiles are looking more like an olive green color. So there you have it, another staple of Mexican cuisine. I hope that you try out this recipe at home and let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to eat these chiles. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss future recipes or any of the cooking live streams where I cook recipes of other cuisines. Buen provecho.